So for the past 12 years, for more than 12 years, impilo yayinikeza istructure wawazi savuka ekuseni esikoleni izokhala inzima izokhala ebreak izobhala i-exam izothola i-report but kulo nyaka wokugcina la impilo yakhe izoqala ingabi nasi-structure but kubona konke lokho I just want to remind you incwadi kaProfethi uJeremiya uma ethi I know the plans I have for you. Uthi Jeremiah chapter 1 verse 29 uthi ngiyayazi imicabango enginayo ngawe. So as you prepare for your matric examination, you are standing at the end of one chapter and at the beginning of the next chapter. Njengoba uzobona ukuthi manje umi nasekupheleni kwechapter yokuqala yempilo yakho kanti futhi uqala enye ichapter. Matric is not simply about passing examination. It is also a demonstration of what you have learned, the discipline that you have developed, and the ability to remain focused when things become difficult. So, ukuthi uyobhalela matric, it's not about ukuthi uma sengiphasa matric sengi-right. But now you are going to prove ukuthi for the past 12 years, i-discipline oyifundile, nezinto odevelopeke kuzona ukuthi uma impilo isiqala ingabi right, ukuphi lekumele ngikwenze. The examination ahead of you will require a commitment. You need to be committed. Umuntu ohlala alifundi iBhayibheli. The book of Corinthians ithi bonke abagijima umncintiswano bayazithiba ezintweni zonke. Bese liqhubeka lithi lokho bakwenza ukuze bathole umqhele ongapheliyo. Siyamthana lithi yafisa ukusondela la ngehlele kwilendeni yenu mhlawumbe khona sizozwana. Uthi lokho bakwenza ukuthi bathole umqhele ongapheli. Bese uPaul umeqhubeka athi kodwa mina ngiyawutuba umzimba wami ukuze ngithole umqhele ongapheli. That is meaning to say if wenza umatric kunezinto ekumele usacrifice uthi lezi ngiyazithiba kuzo just for this moment. Ngoba umatric wona uzokwenza ukuthi uvule iminyango evalekile. Abanye ngeke bakhona ukuthi ngesikhathi ngiyokwenza i-HR abasinemba 10 kubantwana ababenekunight hlobela kwi-office le-HOT. Kodwa umuntu owayehamba ebheka isitifiketi zethu wangithatha from number 10 wangibeka ku-number 1. Abantu abakholwa lokho ukuthi mina ngaku-number 10 kulayini ngiyofuna isikole. Kodwa uma ehamba ebheka iy'statement zethu wangithatha from number 10 ngabo uqala ongena emnyango because of the results engaba nawo. Okwangenza lokho ukuthi ngibone ukuthi kubalulekile empilweni ukuzimisela. So I just want to give you these tips ukuthi njengoba uzobhala nazi into engizokwenza. 1, take one subject and one topic at a time. Ungazengisitari. Uyazazi ukuthi nakho ukuqala khona. One subject and one topic at a time. Uzilungiselele. Prepare a study timetable. Sikhona sokwenza esikoleni, but now as you go, ukuthi okay, basifundise nje bangenze study timetable. But now let me have my own study timetable. Uma sekuphumile lapha, nawo ngizokwenza ngiqhubeke ngempilo. Attend classes. Khona lapha abanye attitude ukuthi hayi, ngathi kuyashintsha igama mase sokubhala. Bayini practice bayini? Athi hayi. Ngeke ngisho ngoba kanti mhlawumbe yilawo ogeja khona okuzokwazi ukuphelelisa attend classes ask questions when you don't understand. Uze mongazi nje kuze abantu abaphumelele empilweni akusibona abantu akekho umuntu othi mina ngazi yonke into. Kodwa into ukuthi uphumelele empilweni you need to ask our questions. Practice past examination papers. Whether supervised or not, practice past examination papers. Revise. But most importantly, look for your help. Get in a place. Angimfuni mina umuntu osebenza kanzima. You need to work smart. Work smart. Be smart. Be smart. Ungathi ubala kusho uyobhala ngakusasa. So uzofunda ke wena ungalali ukuthi ukuse. uyafunda wena. Mina nje on the day yokuyobhala ngangafuni kwakufunda. And ngangafuni ukuzodiscussa nami question. Futhi uma ngiphuma ephepheni ngangifuna ukuthi ngoba asengithi. So nawe ke